Hi there, thanks for joining me back in the garage again. What we got here, this is the retractable airline hose from Giraffe. Now, I've been that impressed with the Hoover, with the retractable line on it that we've got outside, and the pressure washer, which is absolutely amazing, with the massive 30-metre retractable hose on it. This has got a 15-metre hose on it, so it's going to be plenty long enough for everything I need. And the weight of the box, I don't think I'm going to be disappointed with this either. Get a nice hefty bracket, a bit more polystyrene, but whoa, look at that. That looks really nice. So we've got the attachments on the back, which we get the PCL adapters there. We've got some mounting bolts and screws. We get a wall bracket as well. That's going to go onto the wall, and that will then swivel on the bracket. Yeah, that's going to look really nice. So what we get here as well, looking at this, ravelled up on the reel, is a really nice addition, which is the hose that's going to take us from the reel there we go. Yeah, I just need to swap that one over for the PCL end on mine. Okay, that should now fit. And the same on that end. That's got the wrong end on it as well, but you get the actual connectors, you get the PCL connectors here, so you can just swap it for whatever you're using. Okay, ready to go. Let's get outside. Right, here we go then. So that is it, looking absolutely lovely. I've got my airline connectivity down here, so with that connected in there, I can pretty much go anywhere on here. So I think I'm going to run it to, I'm going to put it into there, and that's going to be able to swivel nicely. Yeah, I think I'm going just there. I've got myself some really nice big chunky bolts. You do get brick mounting bolts with it, but obviously I'm going into, this is wood behind here, so I'm going to use these big self-tapping bolts to get into that. Ain't going nowhere. I can get that into it. It's an half heavy when you're holding it up like that. It's a decent bit of kit, this. And spot the schoolboy error. Oh, yep, you're trying to put it in upside down. 3 pairs of hands. Turn it round, I bet it'll fit better. The penny drops. Oh, no, want it the right way up, that's probably what we need. Ah, that's easier. Holds itself in place now. Okay, so we'll get one bolt through the top. One bolt through the bottom. I have a nut on that one. Now you could bolt this straight to the wall if you wanted to do the 4 mounting points straight in, but then it wouldn't rotate And I quite like that. I quite like the rotation. A little bit fiddly getting the spanners in to do the bolts up. But once you manage it, we're okay. It's the bottom one up. And that's the top one up. Oh yes, yes. Now I can just disconnect my airline from my standalone hose. I'll just get a bit of lube in there. And then that's up now nicely. Oh, how nice is that? How nice is that? That's amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. And when I'm working down in the carport over here, I can just drag that out now. Oh, do all the tyre pressures on the cars. That is a heck of a length. And we can just click the tyre pressure gauge straight in there and we're away. Yes. Freedom with the air tools. And when we want to wind it back up again, give it a little tug. And it's got a really nice spring action on it, that. I mean, it's just took that straight back. And that is neat and tidy. Oh, it's so much nicer than having the old airline all just tangled up and having to wrap it up every time we finish with it. That now is just sat there, 15 meters of hose ready to go. We're fully up to pressure. I've got no hissing, no leaks. We'll plug the airline in. And they've got the car right round the back there, and this is going to get to it no problem at all. Perfect. And as you can see, there's still some hose left on the reel. We're not fully out, and that went right the way around to that car. A little pull straight back. Impressive stuff. Like I say, the quality of all the fixings, the protection on the cable, the hoses are all reinforced. Really nice brass fittings. Yeah, it is. It's a really nice bit of kit. We've got the retraction wheels there to stop any wear on the cables. This is all a nice metal frame. The action on it is lovely. Pull, release, straight back in again. And just push it around, keep it tidy. Nicely out of the way. Well, there we go, another fantastic addition to the garage. That is a lovely bit of kit. Well, it's just tidied something else up. When we want to do them tyre pressures, if we want to get the airline hose out, any old job with that, the pneumatic paint spraying, I've got some spray jobs coming up. This is going to be so helpful, really good, keeping everything nice and tidy. So yeah, if you've enjoyed that one, if you're thinking of one of these, then yeah, I hope this has helped you. Drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.